Under. Okay, close your eyes. Over. Under. Once again. Over. Under. Can you repeat? River. Mud. Cave. Comme une cave, mais en anglais. Cave. Forest. Snowstorm. Snowstorm. Great. And the grass. No, grass. Great. Okay.
Snow. Snowstorm. Yes or no? No.
No, sorry.